Okay, lovely. Okay, so we'll continue with functions. Okay, we'll continue with functions. As I said earlier, under functions, the first thing that we're going to do is general function, followed by inverse function. The last one will be compositive function. That's the last one, compositive functions. That's the last one there. Okay, so now remember that function or a function is denoted as or by f of x, g of x, or h of what? X. Okay, so this represents what we call what? Functions. Okay, f of x, g of x, or h of what? X represents what? Function. So now the first thing that we're going to deal with, we're going to deal with what we call general functions. General functions. So now remember, the way how we handle substitution in mathematics or replacement, this is the way how we handle what? General function. And we say, well, if we given x is 2, okay, and you have a function there, so meaning that where there is x of that function, you replace with what? 2. Okay, so that is under what we call what? General what? Function. So we'll just go direct examples on this, on general function. Say, given that f of x is equal to 2x plus what? 4. Okay, over 2. Find 1 f2. 2 f of x is equal to 4. Okay. Okay. Now, so let's start with this one. Given that f of x is equal to 2x plus what? 4 over 2. Okay. They are saying find the f2. That's the first one. Okay. So now, how would you solve f2? Okay. So use the function given there. You say our function given there, it is what? F of x equal to 2x plus what? 4 over what? 2. Now the question here says calculate what? F1. F1. So F2, sorry. Calculate F what? 2. Okay. So now we are dealing with what? 2 there. So what this entails? This entails that on this function where there is x, replace with what? 2. Okay, so remember our function is 2x plus what? 4 over what? 2. So we are saying where there is x here, replace with what? 2. So we say our f2 is equal to, remember the way it is, it means 2 times what? X. So it will be 2, you replace with what? 2. Where there is x plus what? 4 over what? 2. Okay. So when you on this stage, what do? You first multiply the numbers here. Okay? 2 times 2 there. Say our f2 is equal to 2 times 2 here is what? 4. 4 plus what? 4 over what? 2. Okay? You are there? Yes. Then our f2 is equal to 4 plus 4? 8 over what? 2. And our f2 is equal to, you divide now. 2 into 8 is what? 4. That is f42. Is there any question? Any question there? No question. Okay, stop what's happening. Let's do this one, the last one there. Okay, so this is how we calculate what? General function there. So where there is x there, replace the actual number given. Now, this number 2 is different there, okay? So the way we solve this one, we solve like an equation 9. Remember, they are saying f of x is equal to what? 2. Okay, so it's equal to what? 4. It's equal to 4. F of x is equal to what? 2. So now, what should come in your mind that this f of x is equal to what? this expression. So f of x is the same as this. Okay, so when there's f of x, replace that this expression where we say 2x plus what? 4 over what? 2, which is equal to 4. You are there? You are there? Now we are saying 2x plus 4 over what? 2 is equal to what? 4. Okay. So when you reach on this stage, what do you do? Okay. Remember, this is what you call an equation involving a what? A fraction. So how do you tackle equations involving a fraction? The first thing that should bear in your mind, you need to get rid of this what? 2. How do you get rid of it? You multiply both sides with what? 2. Okay? So what you do, we say 2, open bracket here, 2x plus what? 4 over 2. You close is equal to 2 times what? 4. The reason why we are doing this is to get rid of this what? 2. Okay? So remember here, you cancel this 2 and this 1. Okay? You have 1 times this, the same 2x. 1 times 4 is what? 4 is equal to. Okay? Now, 2 times 4 is what? 8. Now, this is the equation now. Have you seen the way it is? Okay? We have removed what? The 2 here. Okay. So now, when you reach on this stage now, you group up the like terms. Okay? So this 4, it is positive. When it comes the other side, it will be what? Negative. We're going to have what? 2x equal to what? 8. This one is positive what? Positive what? 4. When it comes to the other side, it will be what? Negative what? 4. We say our 2x is equal to 8 minus 4? 4. Okay. Now, remember our target here is to calculate the value of what? X. So what do? You divide by what? 2 both sides. By what? 2. Okay. You cancel this one and this one, remaining for what here? X. And you say x is equal to 2 into 4. How many times? 2. Then x is equal to what? 2. Anyone who is behind here? Just cross multiply. Yes, you can do that. There's no problem. Okay, you can cross multiply, say this times and then it's fine. Okay. Okay. Lovely. Mama, are you okay there? Okay, thank you.